Alright guys, we're going to do a quick review of this. This is Central Roast Superfood. These are like coconut clusters. They're actually quite good. I did a review of another one in the past video. This is cranberry almond powered chews. And take a look at the back here. That's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause it. So there's some brown rice syrup in there, so be aware of that. And it has some creatinine. So there you go. 11 grams of sugar. Yeah, let's do a quick taste test. There we go. So that's what it looks like. And give you guys a good look. Look at that. So think of it like a very dense granola bar. You can definitely taste the cranberries, and it has a nutty taste to it. But it's dense like a granola bar, but think of it like compact dense. That's basically the texture. Have me check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.